Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy R6 Alex, and today I'm gonna show you how to clean your firewall. So I started this morning cleaning my firewall, and all I've been using is microfiber towel and some dish soap. And any kind of dish soap should work, but it's pretty easy. I think I've been doing a great job. It works really good. I've probably been working on it for about, I want to say a good hour already, 45 minutes already. It's all the oil that's been on the firewall and all that dirt that's really hard to remove. It's coming off. Yeah, I've semi-cleaned this side, and the other side I haven't worked on it too much, but I can see a huge difference. Then I just grab a dry towel. I don't know where I left it at right now, but just grab a dry towel, dry everything, make sure you don't leave it wet so you don't mess up your cab. So that's it. I'll show you the difference so you can see what I've done and what I've cleaned already and what's dirty. Like I said, I already cleaned it on the other side, so you can still see the difference. Like right here, this side on the right is clean, the side on the left it's dirty. And this right here, where the tunnel's at, it only took me about, I want to say 7 minutes to clean this side. So I should finish with this side in about, I don't know, another 10-15 minutes to do this whole side. But I still need to take off the brake booster, a lot of things, the windshield wiper motor and all this stuff to detail it completely. As you can see, I haven't really gotten into the bottom of it, but I've been taking most of it. But it's looking clean. I'm also gonna clean the chassis, everything, the frame, make it look clean for the new motor that I'm gonna drop in. If you have any questions, leave them below. Thanks for watching, guys.